What's the meaning of blood pressure? Blood pressure. Blood pressure.
Blood pressure. Blood pressure. Blood pressure refers to the force of blood hitting the walls of the arteries as it is pumped from the heart. It is measured with two numbers, systolic and diastolic, which represent the pressure when the heart beats and at rest between beats, respectively. Blood pressure can be affected by various factors such as age, weight, physical activity, stress levels, and underlying health conditions. High blood pressure or hypertension can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health problems if left untreated. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can help to regulate blood pressure.